Wondering if your lymphedema sleeve is the right fit and how to get it on easier? Keep watching this video as I guide you through the proper fit and how to get your sleeve on with ease to make it last even longer. I'm Dr. Alex Hill and I'm an oncology physical therapist and a certified lymphedema therapist. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel for more lymphedema tips and check out my free e-guide in the description below. Please remember that although I am a certified lymphedema therapist, I am not your lymphedema therapist. So always talk with your lymphedema therapist about the best compression garment options for you. So for the fit, the compression should feel snug all along the arm, but it should never feel tight and never painful. If you do have pain, redness, or deep indentations at that elbow crease when you take off the sleeve, you may need a different size or consider getting a custom flat knit compression sleeve. For more information about those custom flat knit compression garments, keep watching until the end of this video to get the link to that video where I go over that. So once you have your compression sleeve on, the top of the compression sleeve should sit just below the armpit, about 2 finger widths. This helps make sure that you don't have any irritation from that fabric rubbing in the armpit as you're moving throughout the day. And then the bottom of the compression sleeve should be at about where your wrist bone is. It shouldn't be going all the way up over your wrist onto your hand. And if you have swelling in your hand or fingers, we also have the gauntlets or the gloves. They should both come up over the compression sleeve. And so you're going to put the sleeve on first, and then you're going to put your glove or your gauntlet on. Make sure that it is all the way down into the web space of your thumb, or if you have the compression glove, once you put the glove on, you're going to make sure that each of the fingers are pressed all the way down. That's going to help make sure that you're getting adequate compression throughout the hand and throughout the fingers. So again, that compression glove or gauntlet should overlap onto the sleeve at least an inch or 2, maybe even 3 or 4 if you have a lot of swelling in the forearm. And once you have everything on, you want to make sure that you have no wrinkles in it, nothing is folded over. And the little tip is to use a glove that has rubber on it. It could be a cleaning glove or a gardening glove or a specific glove for lymphedema garments. And what you can do is just gently sweep it, and that's going to help get out any creases or any wrinkles and make sure that everything is lying flat and smooth against the skin. That can help reduce any irritation. For the fit of the glove, the compression should not be going on top of and completely covering the fingernail. You should still be able to see your fingernails. The compression can come all the way up to just below the fingernail, but again, we don't want it going over. You want to be able to see your fingernails. All right, so now let's go over how to get that compression sleeve on easier. Instead of pulling it and tugging it all the way up the arm, here's a little tip. So you're going to take your compression sleeve and you're going to flip it inside out just halfway. Once you have it flipped inside out halfway, so you can see here the top of it is near the bottom of it, you're then going to place your arm into the compression sleeve. Pull the sleeve up until it gets to the bottom of your wrist. Remember, that's one of the landmarks that it should be at. You're then going to support your hand against a sturdy surface like a countertop or table or the wall. And then you're going to take the top part of the sleeve and then pull that all the way up. And again, remember at the top, it should be about 2 finger widths below that armpit. And then instead of pulling and tugging the sleeve up to get it where you need it to, take that rubber glove and you're just going to smooth it out to where you need it. That's going to help make sure that there's no wrinkles in it and it's nice and smooth against the skin, and that you're not going to get any irritation. But using the glove helps make sure that you're not going to get any holes or runs in that compression sleeve. And then again, if you have a compression glove or a gauntlet, that always goes on after you put on the compression sleeve. And again, that's going to overlap onto that compression sleeve. You want to make sure that everything is smooth once you have it all on. All right, I hope you found this video helpful with understanding how your compression sleeve should fit and how to get it on easier without causing rips and runs in it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more lymphedema videos, and make sure that you share this video with others who would benefit from it.